so happy because I'm making carne asada nachos with guacamole. You make it all in a big baking dish and you have a feast. So I'm gonna start by preheating my grill pan. I'm gonna make the marinade for the meat. It has Worcestershire sauce, finely chopped garlic, Dijon mustard, soy sauce, the juice of a lime, black pepper, and some salt. And I'm gonna use Kroger Mercado top brown beef, which is so beautiful. You can marinate your meat for just 5-10 minutes, or you can cover it, put it in the refrigerator, and let it sit for 12-24 hours. And I'm gonna prepare my totopos or tortilla chips. You can deep fry or you can bake them. So today we're gonna bake them. You can find all of the ingredients you need to make these nachos at Kroger. I'm going to brush the corn tortillas with oil on both sides. I'm gonna spread corn tortillas here. I have my oven at 375 and we're gonna bake them for about 20-25 minutes. In between, I'm gonna flip them and I'm gonna sprinkle with salt. As they crisp and crunch, I'm gonna grill the carne asada. My grill pan has been heating. I'm going to oil it. You don't want to overcrowd your grill pan because you don't want the carne asada to sweat and boil. You want it to sear. It's a couple minutes per side. I'm going to take my totopos out. This meat has rested for a few minutes, so I'm going to dice it into bite-sized pieces. Okay, so the meat is ready. I have my totopos, my chips, my jalapenos. I'm missing my refried beans, which I've been heating back here. Now I'm gonna dress the totopos and just go all over with the refried beans, trying to have every totopo get some of the beans. I'm gonna add the cheese and I'm gonna use 2 kinds of cheese. I'm gonna use sharp cheddar, already grated, and I'm gonna use Kroger Mercado shredded queso quesadilla. I love the combination of both. I'm gonna put this in the oven and I'm gonna let the cheese melt while I mix guacamole. And today, I'm making my guacamole with the Kroger Mercado guacamole seasoning mix, which gives it such a delicious, like, full of umami taste. So I'm gonna pour some of the seasoning into the molcajete. I'm gonna add some finely chopped white onion, some cilantro, 1 jalapeno. So I want to mash this paste so that the seasoning is cohesive and it mixes with the avocado beautifully. Ah, a thing of beauty. Okay, let me take out my nachos. Gorgeous. The carne asada. So many pickled jalapenos. I am going to take some of the guacamole, put it on a couple corners of this gigantic nacho platter. Add a little more cilantro. So you can just eat from here and then just bring it to the table and everybody can take their nacho. So crazy good.